I got this piece of equipment from Amazon. It's a wonderful piece of equipment to have. It bakes your chicken, it bakes your meat, and it bakes your fish. I bought this because I was tired of eating out, so I needed to get something I can do my own style of food at home. And I got this affordable piece of equipment, and it's never failed me. I've used it, this is the third time. It's easy to clean. I'm about to clean it right now because I baked some chicken there last night. I was just tired to clean it. I'm going to clean it right now. And the double doors, you see, it opens to a certain extent. The time is up to date. The time right now is at 6:57, consistent with my gas. So, which means I regulated the time. So it's really great though. So I encourage anyone who was thinking of buying this, go for it. It's good for the money, and you will not regret it. Bingo.
Pretty sturdy.
This Oster oven has a problem with the buttons on the front. I've had it for about a month. It doesn't work consistently. The first one wouldn't work at all, so I returned that one. So this is the second one. And as you can see, I can press the bake button. It's decided not to work today, and I get nothing. It is very disappointing what I paid, the fact that it just doesn't work.
The toast does not work. The bake does not work. Royal. How about pizza? How about warm? Can we get it warm? No. Start? Maybe just press start. Nothing. Okay. Nothing.
Just doesn't work. Like the buttons just don't work. They don't come on. Save yourself the headache, people. This just isn't, like, it shouldn't be this hard.
Look at my turkey breast. It is getting so nice and brown. And it smells so amazing in this house.
Tu bizcocho, tu bizcocho, tu, 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 tu.